Socket.Error, Errno 48, address already in use. I'm trying to set up a server with Python from Mac terminal. I navigate to folder location and use. But this gives me error. I had previously opened a connection using the same command for a different website in a different location in my machine.
You already have a process bound to the default port, 8000. If you already ran the same module before, it is most likely that process still bound to the port. Try and locate the other process first. The command arguments are included, so you can spot the one running simplehttpserver if more than one Python process is active. You may want to test if http://localhost column 8000/ still shows a directory listing for local files. The second number is the process number. Stop the server by sending it a signal. This sends a standard sigterm signal. If the process is unresponsive, you may have to resort to tougher methods like sending a sigkill, kill, skill, or kill-9 signal instead. See Wikipedia for more details. Alternatively, run the server on a different port by specifying the alternative port on the command line. Then access the server as http://localhost column 8910, where 8910 can be any number from 1024 and up, provided the port is not already taken.
Simple solution. Find the process using port 8080. Kill the process on that port. PID is got from step 1's output.
By the way, to prevent this from happening in the first place, simply press Ctrl+C in terminal while simplehttpserver is still running normally. This will properly stop the server and release the port, so you don't have to find and kill the process again before restarting the server.
Use. This will give you a list of processes using the port, if any. Once the list of processes is given, use the ID on the PID column to terminate the process use.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.